Hello there, Corey here with New Day Credit Repair, talking about our Houston credit repair specialists and the services that we have to offer if you're in the Houston area. So I'll jump right into it. We get a lot of questions that people have, very frequently asked questions. One of them is, how long does credit repair take? Well, credit can actually rise as fast as it drops. A lot of people don't realize how fast their credit can come back up, even if your credit has dropped, gradually over the last 3 or 4 years. You can bring that back up in 3 to 6 months. The average credit repair takes about 4 months if you're trying to get 50 to 100 points or so added to your credit score. So again, but it also depends on a couple of other factors, such as if you are working on this by yourself, this process can drag on a little bit longer than perhaps you would like it to. The process can be fairly involved with sending letters to credit bureaus disputing claims that are on your record, that are on your credit report. So if you don't have these letters already pre-written out or a package of them, it can take a while to figure out exactly who to send it to, what to write, the sequencing of these letters, and how to make it look like you're not just making a frivolous claim. There's definitely a timing factor that is involved in this. So the average credit repair takes about 4 months, and this also includes what you should be doing while you're in credit repair. You should be paying all your credit bills on time, of course. You should have a few different types of debt. You should mix that up a little bit. We'll talk a little bit about that in a few moments. There is disputing derogatory claims. That is a very big part of credit repair. And then best practices during a credit repair timeline. Now, again, this is paying your bills on time. This is very important for making sure that you are going to get the results that you want in the time frame that you want. So, and also don't rush it. This is not something that you can rush. Otherwise, it may be seen as frivolous by the credit bureaus and by the credit card companies. So it's good to time it out. Usually between 3 to 6 months is what we get for our clients. And a lot of people ask how to improve their own credit score if they wanted to go that route by 50 to 100 points. And the truth is that there are many ways to do that. You can lower your debt to your limit ratio. For example, if you have a credit card that has a $1,000 limit on it, you're going to want to whittle that debt down. Say if you have $1,000 already on there, you really only want to use about $350 to $400 of it. So if your balance is more than 35 to 40% of what the card can carry, then that can also bring your credit score down and ultimately hurt your credit score. So, and then also establishing new credit. It's a good idea to mix up the kind of credit that you're getting. So it's a good idea to establish some new credit. As a matter of fact, you can, for example, a car loan, a credit card. You might actually have a mortgage. So just different types of credit are good for your credit score. So moving on to 80% of credit records actually have errors and mistakes. So a lot of the reports have different types of errors, and a company like New Day Credit Repair in Houston, we will find those mistakes and remove them. And once we've analyzed all the negative credit items, we've got a library of over 100 legally written dispute letters that we'll handpick for each account and create a dispute package that we'll send to the credit bureaus on your behalf to see if that negative item is deleted off your account. And we'll also analyze your good credit account trade lines and determine what can be done to raise the score on those as well. And sometimes we might even recommend that you start a small credit card trade line with small minimum payments just to establish new credit payment history, as well as continuing to analyze all of your open accounts to see how paying down a certain percentage on a card will raise your credit score. So it's just one of the services that we provide to our clients on an individualized consideration basis. So just because many consumers just don't have the kind of time to mail a separate dispute package for each derogatory item on their credit for each credit bureau. So for example, if you have 12 derogatory items on your credit, and there are 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, then each credit agency will need a separate dispute package. So in this example, that would mean that we would send out 36 dispute packages. It would all need to be printed out, signed, and mailed to the credit agencies in more of a drip fashion instead of just blasting them all out at the same time, just so they don't think that this is a frivolous claim. Also, expert credit repair benefits. What are the benefits of getting your credit repaired? Well, you can regain your buying power fast. You can buy that car or the home of your dreams. You will increase your trust with the banks. You'll be able to get money when you need it. This will also help you in business if you have an EIN number that you need to get a business line of credit. This will help with that. You'll also get our seasoned expert technicians working on your behalf if you are in need of a service like this in Houston and all over the Houston area. So our individualized consideration and delivery of service is undisputable, and we have been working on this for about 10 years, this project. We've got experts that have been loan officers in the mortgage industry who have seen the ups and downs of the credit industry. So we know what we're talking about. And we have affordable service that could save you tens of thousands of dollars over the long run. So give us a call today. We'd love to get to know who you are and what your goals are. So call the Houston Credit Repair Specialists at 866-936-8045. Again, 866-936-8045. We really look forward to hearing from you, and we wish you all the best. We know that with your good and improved credit score, you are going to be able to make those purchases that you desire in life. Thanks again, and you can also visit us at newdaycreditrepair.com.